In this video, we will take a look at how the vowels turn into long-sounding vowels when you add a silent E at the end of the word. Here are some examples: make, take, these, side, bike, nose, hope, cube, tube, and there are many, many more. First, a quick review of the English alphabet. The English alphabet has 26 letters in it. 5 of the 26 letters are the 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U. And the other 21 letters are called consonants, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So we split the 26 letters into two groups, 5 vowels and 21 consonants. And these 5 vowels in English also make what we call a long sound. And the sound of a long vowel is actually the same sound as its name. So for example, the vowel A makes a long sound A in the word cake. The vowel E makes the long sound E in the word these. The vowel I makes the long sound I in the word time. The vowel O makes the long sound O in the word nose. And the vowel U makes the long U sound in the word use. Today, in this video, we are going to focus on the long vowel sounds. Here are the 5 sound spelling cards for the 5 long vowels in English: A, E, I, O, U. If we count the spelling patterns on each of these vowel cards, we will find out that there are 6 common ways to spell the long A sound, 7 ways to spell the long E sound, 5 ways to spell the long I sound, 5 ways to spell the long O sound, and 4 different ways to spell the long U sound. And when we look more closely at each of the spelling patterns on each of the 5 vowel cards, you can see that every card shares one spelling pattern: the vowel followed by a consonant followed by a silent E. And I've circled that pattern on each of the cards so that you can see. Here you can see the A, the I, and the U. I've created words with a short vowel sound for those 3 vowels: at, kit, and us. Just by adding a silent E, the vowels turn long. It's no longer at. The sound with the E is 8. Kit turns into kite with a silent E. Us turns into use with a silent E. So by adding that silent E at the end of these words, the vowel changes from a short sound to a long sound. On this page, I've given you more examples of how that silent E makes the vowels have a long sound. So under A, these words have a long A sound because of the silent E. Make, cake, cape, plane, snake. The silent E on the end of the words with an E in them makes that E sound long. These, Pete, concrete. And under the vowel I, the silent E makes the I in these words sound long. Bike, hike, hide, time. And under the O, these words have a long O because of that silent E on the end. Rope, nose, hope, rose. And finally, under the U, these words make a long U sound because of the silent E on the end of them. Cube, cute, flute, tune, confuse. In a minute, you're going to hear and see a video called Silent E by the Bazillions. And the music explains the importance of this silent E that makes our vowels in English long. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. I love the Silent E song. Now, just to review, I want you to be sure to understand that there are other spelling patterns that create a long A, a long E, a long I, a long O, and a long U in English. But the one pattern that we looked at in this video is when you have one of these 5 vowels followed by a consonant and followed by the silent E. So here you can see the spelling patterns: A consonant E, E consonant E, I consonant E, O consonant E, U consonant E.